Hey guys, what's up? It's Kahoob here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to earn free Satoshis, which are the smaller units of Bitcoin, on a free mobile app. This app is called Quicrypto, and the only information you need to input is your Bitcoin wallet address to receive your Satoshis when you cash out. I recommend always doing the Blitz mission. As you can see up here, it says Claim Blitz mission. It usually has two different paths. It may have you install Coinpredict and predict on a crypto, or it'll contain 6 different video ads for you to watch and then receive your Satoshis. And these missions only appear every 4 hours or so, which means you will need another way to earn more Satoshis while you wait. I personally recommend using the Complete Theorem Research Surveys section, as I find that the easiest to use and earn more Satoshis, which is right in the, this one, the third one down, at least on the screenshot of it. And that's the offer, like Coinpredict. It'll have you install it, and 0 out of 3, like download it, predict, and confirm it or whatever. Like, here's an example of Coinpredict and what it looks like. And it may have ads out on itself. Then it'll say voting success once you're done, and you can go back into Quicrypto. Mission complete, that's what it'll say. It'll tell you how much Satoshis you've earned in the mission. And then the next one should happen in like the next 4 hours. Okay, so I go to here, or actually right here. Okay, so all you need to do is find a survey to fill out and to earn Satoshis. And there's 3 different categories to choose from to find a good survey. There's best match, length, and reward, which will find the shortest and the highest reward for doing a survey. And at the top, you should see a 10% Satoshi bonus survey. And if you do that survey, you'll receive 10% more Satoshis on every other survey you do for the next hour. The withdrawal process is very simple too. After you've inputted your wallet address, you just click the 3 lines on the top left for the menu, and then just click on withdraw. So example of that would be this 3 lines right here in the top left. This will appear, and this is all you should see. Click withdrawal. It'll go to the withdrawal process right here. When you click on it and everything, it'll just say like success, a withdrawal request has been sent. Your funds will be sent to you within the next 24 hours. And I did this yesterday, and I actually just received it. I think it's kind of hard to change your wallet address that you've inputted once you've already done it. So make sure it's one that you for sure want to do. I chose my Coinbase one, which I kind of regret because I did the exchange wallet address. But anyways, after the 24 hours, you should get it, and it should fully confirm, and it'll tell you. Well, depending what wallet you use. For me, the Coinbase exchange tells me when I receive any crypto, so it tells me. But that's on your own end, depending which wallet you use, if it'll tell you or not from that end. Anyways, I've put my referral link down in the description for this app, so if you want to support this channel, that'd be a great free way for you to do that, and it'd be greatly appreciated. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for future crypto content. And if you have any questions, you can leave them down in the comment section, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Okay, so I'll see you guys later in the next video.